Good morning, Mr. D's class. Happy Wednesday. I hope you guys are all enjoying your nice day at home. So, for Writer's Workshop today, we are going to be working on two things. So the first is I would like you to complete your Teach Us Your Name assignment. Just in case you can't find that, remember just go to classwork, scroll down to Tuesday since we worked on it yesterday, click on, Teach Us Your Name right here, and you will be able to work on it. If you've already finished that, great. We will head into the next assignment. So, what we will be doing today is we are going to be working and decorating our writer's notebook. So this year they won't be physical notebooks just because of, the different schedules and everything. So today I really want you guys to work on your digital notebooks. These will be staying in your Google Classroom so you'll never forget them, which is also really nice. So on the cover, you'll write your name and it'll say third grade writer's notebook. So we have all the different tabs for personal narratives, information writing, persuasive writing, literary essays, and fairy tales. Today, we're not really going to be worrying about that so much. We will get to those activities later on in this week and school year. For right now, I just want you to really decorate and think about what you want to put on your writer's notebook. So I will show you mine as an example. So these are all things that inspire me. They're a little bit about my life and things I enjoy doing. I want you guys to do the same. And notice how all these pictures, or my notebook is filled with pictures. Probably could have even had two more in here, but I don't want just one picture. I want a lot of different things and a lot of different things that talk about you and what you like, but also what kind of things inspire you to write. So I'll go through mine and just explain different things for me. So right here, this is a picture of me and my brothers. Like I said, I had three brothers, and I'm the third out of four. So it's always crazy in our house, but just from growing up with them and being all different ages, but similar in age, I've had lots of different things to write about and that I know I could think of. Really funny stories, really serious stories, and just things that would get me brainstorming to write. Just because I've had such great experiences with my siblings. Over down here, this is a picture of me in Ireland. Back in college, I studied abroad, and this was one of the spots I went to. And I have a lot of great stories from my travel experiences, maneuvering around in Europe, and just going to Europe for the first time. So I get a lot of my ideas and a lot of ideas and different stories to think of from my experience in Europe that I went to. Over here is another picture of two of my best friends, Molly and Eden. They are my friends from college. And this is a picture of us in Arizona where Molly lives. So I really do love to travel, and I've been fortunate enough to be able to have friends that live in different parts of the world that I've been able to see them. And just with them over the years, I've had such great experiences and funny stories and fun stories that they make me smile, and also I can think of definitely good things to write about them. This is a picture. Next up, we have a picture of Asbury Park. That is where Mr. D lives and is from. I love where I live. It's so great. And this picture is just one of my favorite spots in Asbury that I like to go to after work and relax after a day of work, or sometimes on the weekend, this is my go-to spot. Again, this is just another thing. When I'm kind of stuck with things, I'll go here to find out, to think of things if I have writer's block and what I want to talk about. With that, I love Asbury Park, but I also love the beach. The beach is one of my favorite things to do. And ever since as a kid, I remember going to the beach. And still today, I love going. It's one of my favorite things. And I just enjoy it a lot. And I sometimes go here too when I need help with writing a story. Over here, Mr. D, fun fact, loves McDonald's, but he especially loves McDonald's Diet Coke. I have countless memories that involve Diet Coke, and I'm sure you'll see Mr. D every once in a while having one. And this is just something that motivates me. When I do a good job, I'll celebrate with a Diet Coke. Next up is one of my favorite things to do is cycling class. And Tandem Cycle is where I go to. That place motivates me, it inspires me, makes me feel good, and it's just a great place for me to de-stress and unwind from a long day or busy weekend or anything stressful. Tandem has been a great place for me and has been such a happy spot for me. So I really like to share those things when I'm persuading someone to get into fitness or just a great memory I've had. And then I included a quote about being a teacher because I love being a teacher. I have not been a teacher for too long as I switched careers. And this quote really sticks with me as going when I made this shift to become a teacher. So to teach is to touch a life forever. I'm in my first year teaching. I definitely have amazing stories of just experience and navigating through it and really getting to work with these kids. And it's been such a great profession. And I love getting to talk about and also write on why I wanted to become a teacher. So whatever it might be for you, I would love for you all to include different things that talk a little bit about you, things that inspire you, and things that really excite you. And this way, I get to learn a little more about you, your classmates get to learn about you, and also when you might be stuck on a writing task or you're not sure what to write about, these pictures might help you figure out what you really want to write about. Again, please try to fill it up as much as you can. I don't want just one picture. I want a lot of different things and different, all different backgrounds to it. All the things you may like, sports, activities, family, friends, hobbies, whatever it might be, places you've gone to include on your journal. This is yours, so there's no right or wrong answer. Just make it creative, make it fun, and make it personal, that it relates to you. Alrighty, thank you everyone. And as always, if you have questions, you can join our Google Meet. If you are stuck or need help with, I'm more than happy to help all of you.